And this video is for the Unimi weighted mask, and this thing is awesome. It's got an adjustable strap right here, but it also can be reversible. So one side, it's kind of like silky smooth, and that's the side you'd put on your face, but you can also flip it around, strap it up this way or strap it up this way. You flip it around to a more fuzzy side. So this is a cold eye mask. There's little tiny beads inside, but it's nice and weighted. It's got a good weight. So let's actually check out what the weight is on this. And here we go. So it's 11.2 ounces. It's getting close to a pound. No, you wouldn't really want a pound on your face, but 11 ounces. But it's nice and heavy. It's equally distributed across everywhere across your face. So you can have this side up or this side up, but put this in the freezer for about 10 minutes, and then you can sleep with this. It'll stay cold and relieve migraines or any kind of bags under your eyes, or if you have a headache, any kind of puffiness. If you happen to get maybe hit in the face, it'd also be like kind of a cold compress. But this is a great sleeping mask for migraine relief, kind of like a soft cold compress. But men and women can use this, and this is great. Has worked really good, so can highly recommend.